Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is Jukes and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start today's news. Alright, so Declan Rice, the commerce I call they talk about in biggest challenge for Arsenal so far when you don't join here. I'm about to talk say the challenge we don't face so far, and the fact say they try to live up to that 105 million price tag when they buy him for Arsenal, and so far so good. I can tell you for free. See, Baba don't live up to the expectation, like he's doing what we expect him to do. For the fact that we buy him for that kind of big amount of money, that is a very, very big investment, and we're already getting our returns on investment. Even though he never win any trophy, but at least we see the signs. The guy they win man of the match performances, they play very, very well, and so far so good. If you ask me, I will tell you, Baba already meets the threshold of everything we plan to do for Arsenal. Now, also the match we will play today. So Arsenal will host Sheffield United today. Get for the Emirates Stadium. Now for this match, so many good things. How many injury players to get to the Gabriel Jesus is expected to be missing in this match. People like Thomas Partey said they expected see them go miss out. Then we get other people, so they look so okay. What will we do with them? The likes of Kai Havertz, the likes of Fabio Vieira, whether they will come into the first 11. You get, so that is some of the plans. So we'll get, are we going to rest Odegaard today? You get, Shane Nelson will play a part in today's game. Like so many players, they will say the reason to unleash against the Sheffield United side with the language for the 20th position for the table. Now for the head-to-head, for the last 5 games, we don't play for the Emirates Stadium. So Arsenal actually win 3 and draw 2. In fact, 3 seasons ago we beat them. We played 2-1. So I don't know the injury department. And when you can check this Sheffield United, you no go believe the Sheffield United they face like 10 players out. That is why everybody call they knack them. I see they don't know what they do. They get injury problems. About 10 of their players they injured. Even their best striker, McBurney, that one said I just they read now say they won't do scan, whether ain't go even play against us. So that is why people they knack them. Blue and black. We check the last 5 games, everybody knocked them. In fact, for this last 9 games they don't play, they got only 1 draw and they lose 8 times. But you know how bad it is. Injury is no good though, but it is what it is. Better come our own home, so give us the promo because they dash 3 points. So we'll collect our own promo. Then for the next game, we wish them all the best of luck again. But for today, I don't wish them anything. Alright, so VAR experts, so that they call Dale Johnson, come as I can explain why Arsenal no gets a penalty against Chelsea, where Chelsea keeper Sanchez actually came out to clash with Gabriel Jesus and 2 Chelsea players. So we're going to explain say the reason we make VAR not even look into that incident in the first place now because of the offside needed for the build-up will lead to that clash. Get so we're going to explain say Odegaard actually gave Tomiyasu a pass and Tomiyasu was offside. So the VAR first of all check the build-up and they thought also offside don't do then it no go really matter what's happen next. So my question now come to say, if to say the keeper clash on Gabriel Jesus can't get head injury or a concussion, does that mean they will not give Sanchez a card based on say because there was offside in the build-up play? So that is not a harmful play where the keeper do? Is that what they're trying to explain to me? So well, nobody asked Dale Johnson that question because the first question just enter my head, but it is what it is. If not their explanation with that, probably which is why the PGM will not come and second apologize to us because of the offside that they talk say they for the build-up play. Me, I don't know if you even remember. Unless I go watch the replay again. But it is what it is. If now what did Dale Johnson they talk? Well, we just leave it like that. Alright, so Pedro Neto don't come and second the assure Wolves, saying no get any plans to come out for Wolves for January. Get saying they're happy for the club for now. That's what you talk about for the moment. Get say you go day here, blah blah blah. So for my mind, I say this is why I say for the moment. So that one means say you still get plan to jack in the future. Because they don't say no, they really look at the long-term plan. Get for the moment, blah 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 blah. Oh, I just want to stay for them. I mean, nobody like say you leave them high and dry because they say they're different during injuries and a lot of things really go on. But it is what it is. So. Well, my mom will say by January we will see. All this one I talk is cheap. By January we then dangle money for their front. I'm going to know that they will say no, we don't want money. Alright, so yesterday Tottenham Hotspur beats Crystal Palace 2-1 to go 5 points clear for the EPL table. Yeah, so Arsenal now today we will need to respond We need to win Sheffield United so that we'll go 2 points below them again. Then we'll see Manchester City self and Manchester United will play. But if you invest me today self, say when they play 3 o'clock, then Barcelona and Real Madrid self they play the same time, 3:15. I'm on the pay me because I won't watch that their match because a lot of things they don't build tension around the match because Barcelona, I think their sporting director or somebody in the hierarchy talk there on Barcelona when they accuse Vinicius Junior. Say the guy they complain too much. Say what's happened to them against Sevilla, know the racism. Say they need to slap in face, get though the man later delete in tweets. We can't even force Barcelona to come and apologize for that statement that man makes. So even Xavi himself for the press conference, he talks say he don't really like the fact say tension don't build up ahead of this match they go play. So for this match, we'll see a lot of fouls, we'll see a lot of determination to win. Vinicius Junior go on bombard their post like I forgot to watch and but I wanted to watch Arsenal, they watch that one. So it is what it is. ISIS na highlight I go watch. Alright, so Arteta self don come outside and talk say he go reason how he go take reduce in intensity, his own emotions get when they make referees they give a card because when you watch, Arteta don already collect 2 yellow cards this season. So if he collect 1 more yellow card, he will miss 1 match. Now the new law be that 3 yellow cards, 1 match ban. For players, 5 yellow cards, 1 match ban. We make Arteta come outside and complain say why players will get 5 yellow cards before they get 1 match ban. Then tell the coach when no dey inside the field of play. Now just 3 yellow cards say no good now. You get so but he no like make them give a yellow card, make him come with match to say you go see how he go take mellow down. Get go reduce in tempo. But the thing is I think I call the experience sometimes you cannot help it in the heat of the moment. Like maybe they foul your own player if you don't do anything, like you go to para and I say referee go see what is up there because they happen for you now. So all those kinds of things. So it is in the heat of the moment. Don't be saying how it's implant to do. You cannot just a local cannot just change his sports now. You know if you come out the sport for your body. So now the kind of person where him be, he very, very vocal, he will react. You get so these are reactive situations when they do something you know like you go para, go shout now. So well at the end of the day, God saying go try to see how he will do and make them know you don't give him 1 match back. But me I don't say that one I lie. Yes, the next 3, 4, 5 games. I think I go share do something. You know, again, you look at you miss 1 match, you look on reset again. Well, it is what it is. Alright, the Daily Mirror. Come post one expose because normally every morning I check newspaper headlines for the UK. So I can't stumble upon this and Daily Mirror reported that talks Thomas Partey is growing frustrated with his Arsenal role and could consider an exit in January. Oh, when I first see this thing, I first para like the thing just it hit me for it. Say, what's the as in I don't know. I got shocked first because I was like, shey now you go dey complain say you dey frustrated. I mean, now we will be the fans. After that, them go dey complain say you will be saying this month you don't get injury, you don't come out. So when you want to play, no be when you come back when they wait me you get full fitness. No be injury, you just dey carry back body full for this season. Which one be say you dey frustrated? Frustrated in what sense? In one aspect like I don't understand where they come from. Sadly, I don't know whether I understand where. But like those part they have the right to come outside and say he's frustrated. Maybe they bench him or what? Say they bench you normally. Say nothing to you. They're gonna bench you. Like I don't, add up. Like add up. Like when I saw this newspaper headline, it just vexed me because now we supposed to complain. Say when we need you most, they play you. Gonna vex. Say they bench you. Say you're frustrated. Say if you look for January, leave now. Look for a January exit now. Say what concert they beg you? I don't even understand. Alright, Scott Minto self come outside and talk say for that Sevilla match, say people don't really they praise Declan. Everybody they shout Gabriel Jesus. Say without Rice for that match, Arsenal no go win. Without Rice because Rice was the midfield enforcer. Now he don't really they do the dirty jobs where people don't really they notice. Yeah, but because Gabriel Jesus give assist, his score go fine. They give her the man of the match award. They're singing his praises here and there. Even Alan Shearer said maybe talk say Gabriel Jesus no be good finish. I can't say can't change mouth. Can't say he's not really part of the elite strikers. But if he's available, we could sign him for Newcastle. He'll be part of the squad. But he's not really an elite player. I don't change mouth. So well, it is what it is. Declan Rice, we all praise him, and I know praise him, we will praise him for here. We know the job where they do, and we go everly day inside. Alright, Napoli sporting director, when they call Mauro Meluso, don't come and they talk about Osimhen. So Babacon they confirm, say they don't get any plans to sell Osimhen for January. Say in fact, in the coming weeks, say Napoli president, I think De Laurentiis with Osimhen camp, they will discuss to know the way forward because so far so good. Osimhen never signed the contract extension where they put for in front, and just I think it was last Monday or last 2 Mondays, You get one video will go viral for social media where we say Osimhen blessing for training camp they come out in for a jeep, one a Mercedes car. Then some fans come gather around that, say make him sign autograph. But back on the para for them, they get out of my the para again. So the video go viral. So I don't know, maybe fans they vex for him, maybe the hierarchy they vex for him. So why they treat fans like that? I don't really know, but he never actually signed contract extension. Say no one signed. You get so if you no one signed, they go they forced to sell him because they no one making go as a free agent because the guy get less than 2 years in his contract. Well, it is what it is. Everything until January, and Liverpool they really push to sign this guy. Chelsea got the scam parts. They want sign like everybody wants sign striker. I get so. This is what it is. Not just to watch how everything will go. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.